Air fryer. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT Air Fryer impressively blends functionality and design, making it a standout choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With a generous 5-quart capacity, it accommodates meals for families and small gatherings alike. Its sleek white exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. A notable feature of this air fryer is its programmability, which allows users to select from various cooking methods, including roasting, broiling, baking, air frying, and dehydrating. This versatility caters to an array of culinary needs and encourages experimentation with different recipes. The touch control method enhances user experience, facilitating easy navigation through the settings. Operating at 1500 watts, the COSORI air fryer reaches temperatures ranging from a minimum of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range enables precise cooking, ensuring that food is evenly cooked while also allowing for dehydration at lower settings. The non-stick coating aids in easy food release and simplifies the cleaning process, making it dishwasher safe for added convenience.